Hi everyone, I am Trifonas Papadopoulos. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to perform a powerful sales analysis using Excel pivot tables and ChatGPT. Whether you are a data newbie or an Excel pro, this step-by-step tutorial will help you uncover insights from your data like never before. We'll start with a raw sales dataset and I'll guide you through setting up a pivot table for analysis. Then I will show you how ChatGPT can help you understand trends, generate insights, and even suggest formulas you might need for deeper analysis. Let's dive in. First, let's see our sales data. Make sure your dataset has columns like date, product, country or region, sales or revenue amount, and quantity or units sold. In our case, we have this data set with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 columns. The columns are country, product, country and product, units sold, revenue, cost, and date. There are 700 rows. Now, let's create a pivot table and see how these pivot tables can help you understand better what is going on with your data set. We click OK, and then we have to choose the fields. We will choose country, product, units sold, and revenue. We will change this from rows to filters, and we are ready. So now, if we go up, we have a new pivot table. Here you have the countries and you have to click on select multiple items if you want to filter them. And here we have the sum of units sold and sum of revenue for all the products. I have already created some pivot tables and charts. So we have this pivot table here, and next to this pivot table, which is the sum of revenue for each country, I have a chart. And we can see that we have sales for each of the countries found in the data set. But this is done the traditional way. Let's see now what we can do if we use ChatGPT. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to extract insights for this data set. We have to wait. Here we can see the answer. So let's check the summary insights. Chocolate chip appears to be the most consistent product in terms of sales, being present in almost every entry across different countries and dates. Let's check this. Yes, chocolate chip is consistent in all markets, in all countries. Country-wise observations. India consistently has high sales figures for chocolate chip and has varied product sales including fortune cookies, sugar, and white chocolate macadamia nut. Chocolate chip, India. And then white chocolate macadamia nut. And what else for India? Sugar and white chocolate. Let's check also fortune cookie, sugar, and fortune cookie and sugar. Philippines shows a balanced sales distribution among products like oatmeal raisin and snickerdoodle along with chocolate chip. Philippines. Let's check Philippines. Snickerdoodle sugar except chocolate chip. Anyway, you need some time to check all these created by ChatGPT, but they are very interesting. If we wanted to summarize the 3 numbered bullet points, then we would click on this button and the first observation is overall chocolate chip sales performance across the 5 countries: India, United Kingdom, Philippines, Malaysia, and the United States. Chocolate chip cookies experience consistent sales volume, with India and the United States consistently showing robust numbers. For example, in December 2023, India and the United States sold units ranging significantly, like India's 4,251 units, and the United States selling up to 2,797 units in one instance. Revenue and cost data show a proportional relationship corresponding to sales volume, with larger batches generating higher returns and costs, especially prominent in India and the United States over the specified period. As you understand, this analysis could be done also by an experienced data analyst, but this makes things faster. Now I have another button here to calculate revenue for country and product. What's also this? So all calculations were made and we have the results here. Country total revenue. India has the highest total revenue. And if we go with 1,026,375 units, euros or dollars, whatever. Let's check this. Revenue. There we are. Let's also check this, which will help us extract the lost revenue from this data. This is done with the help of ChatGPT. So if we check this, the entry with the lowest revenue is India, units sold 200, date, everything is here. So let's see if this is correct. Next one. There we are. This is the record we were looking for. So what we can see from this is that those insights can help us understand better and quicker the trends from our dataset. And there you have it all. You've just learned how to conduct a professional sales analysis using Excel pivot tables and ChatGPT. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and let me know in the comments how you use pivot tables in your work. See you next time.